Hi everybody, welcome to week 9, second half of the semester. So to start this video, we're going to work on some 7th chords, we'll do some triads, we'll have a melodic dictation, and then we'll see how much time is left. So let's start with some 7th chords. So we'll start in this key. Sing into this key, it's the key of A as an alpha flat. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do, ti, do. Trying to move around the keys where we do our 7th chords just so that you don't learn to hear them only in one particular key and then get confused when we move them around. So anyway, let's start with everybody's favorite, major, major. Maybe it's not everybody's favorite, it's my favorite. Starting here on do. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, ti. This nice low key feels good to my not warmed up voice this morning. So I want to address also that in oral assignments, when you've sung these, you all tend to do them on do and not on the scale degrees. A minority of people did them on the scale degrees. That's okay with me. I will go through both versions of that with you this morning. This one usually starts on do anyway. Instead of starting the major minor on sol, a lot of you started that on do, and if you do, here's how it should go. Do, mi, sol, te. If you're going to go about it that way. And then if you were going to sing minor minor on do, you would sing do, mi, sol, te. I definitely see the value in doing it this way because you see the little alterations that change each time, even as you keep do as the starting pitch. And then for half diminished, we would sing do, mi, se, te. Just keep lowering either the 3rd, the 5th, or the 7th. Now the 3rd is lowered, so it's not gonna go any further down. Now we've lowered the 5th. Now we would lower the 7th also. Do, mi, sol, se, la. And if that's how you've sung it previously, you can continue to practice it that way, that's fine. I like attaching them to scale degrees because I think then you can hear them in the context of functions, and when we do them in harmonic dictation, I think they'll stick out a bit better to you because we're not going to have a diminished chord starting on do in a harmonic dictation. So if you're singing them in isolation and you want to do it that way, that's fine. But I think if you're doing it in a progression, then that's maybe going to be a little harder to recognize. So anyway, let's sing them now on the scale degrees as well. So we did do, mi, sol, ti for major major. For major minor, we'd start on sol here. Sol, ti, re, fa. Remember, I like that one because then you can also practice resolving fa, mi, like that. And then, let's see, for minor minor, we'd start on re. Sing that with me, ready? Go. Re, fa, la, do. And then for half diminished, we'd start on T, ready? Sing that one, ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, la. And then for fully diminished, ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, la. And the other thing is that, I'm working these into our melodic dictations too, and having practice singing like Ti, Re, Fa, and La, I think will make it stick out to you when I've included that into a melodic dictation on solfege and when I sing it on the videos too. So that's my rationale. I'm certainly not going to insist that you sing them that way, and I'm not going to make you sing them for a grade very often. But I think it's good to be able to do both, frankly. So that's partly why I'm like, oh, okay, if that's how you want to go about it, that's fine. I do think the scale degrees are really helpful too. So maybe give them both a try. Okay, let's dictate some 7th chords. We'll start with 5 in the key of A flat where we just were, and then we'll move around. So here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here is number 3. Here is number 4. And number 5. And let's move on to other keys. Here is number 6. Here is number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Okay, so let's go all the way back to the beginning where we were in the key of A flat. And here, similarly, kind of same outer notes, different inner notes. Sing number 1 with me, starting here. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, la. In which case that one is half diminished. And number 2 is here. Go ahead and sing number 2 with me. Starting there. 1, 2, ready, go. Sol, ti, re, fa. That one is, major minor. Sounds like it should go like that. And number 3 was here. We haven't done these qualities in such low registers very much, so that's partly why I picked this key. Starting here, sing this one with me. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, le. That one is fully diminished. That one is fully diminished for number 3. Number 4 was here. Go ahead and sing that one with me, starting here. Ready? Go. Re, fa, la, do. So that one is minor, minor. And number 5 was here. A nice place to kind of cap that one off. Go ahead and sing number 5 with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, mi, sol, ti. Okay, so number 5 was major, major. Okay, so then we moved around. Number 6 was here. Start on this bass note and sing it with me. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, le. That one is fully diminished. Number 7 was here. Sing number 7 with me. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, ti. So we have major, minor, but we do not in this class have minor, major. And I want to just make sure that everybody knows that, because once in a while somebody will either sing it or guess it on an assignment or a test. And it's not that that chord doesn't ever exist, but not in this class. So major, 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 minor. Anyway, number 8 was here. Sing that one, starting on this note. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, la. So if it's got la at the top, it makes that one half diminished. Number 9 was here. Sing that one. Ready? Go. Re, fa, la, do. That one is minor, minor. Sounds like 2-7. Could go to 5-7. Sounds like a predominant chord. Again, that's why I practice so much singing it with you on re, because I hope you'll start to hear it as a kind of predominant. That function, I think, helps distinguish them. Number 10. Starting here. Ready? Sing sol, ti, re, fa. That one is major, minor. So we're going to continue for this unit singing them in with the first 5, or practicing the first 5 in a key, and hopefully then we'll be able to take those training wheels off soon and you can start doing all 10 of them in random places. Okay, let's move on to some triads. So for triads, we're going to practice singing some of them in random places. Let's start with just one of each here on do to begin. So major triad on do. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. And how about major triad in first inversion starting on mi? And I won't play it, just sing it with that do in your head. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do, sol, mi. We'll go up and back down today, why not? How about major second inversion from sol, same key. Sol. Ready? Go. Sol, do, mi, do, sol. All right, and back to do. Sing a minor triad in root position. Ready? Go. Do, me, sol, me, do. And how about in first inversion minor? Ready? Go. Me, sol, do, sol, me. And then how about starting on sol, second inversion? Ready? Go. Sol, do, me, do, sol. Sol. And find do again. Sing an augmented triad. Ready? Go. Do, mi, si, mi, do. And find do. Do. Find ti. Ti. And sing a diminished triad. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, re, ti. And find do one more time. We'll sing a major triad in root position just to sort of tie it all together. It seems weird to stop on diminished, so sing a major triad in root position. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Okay, so let's sing a couple of minor triads in first inversion. I know we've done this once before, but I just think it's good practice. So starting with the one we were just in, there's do, find me, and we'll sing that minor triad in first inversion again. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do, sol, me. And then now I'll give you me and ask you to sing that minor triad in first inversion in a bunch of different places. So if this is me, this is me. Sing me, sol, do. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do. We'll just go up for this part. Good. How about if this is me? You're listening for me, sol, do. Go ahead and give that a try. Sing that. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do. Ooh, my do is a little flat. One more time, ready? Go. Mi, sol, do. How about another mi? How about here? If this is mi, sing mi, sol, do. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do. And another one. How about here? Mi, sol, do. Ready? Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do. So you get the idea. There's our minor triad in first inversion. You could practice a bunch of triads that way. And then when I play it, you know, I'll roll it because it's in inversion, and that hopefully will give you a hint as to what triad that is. Okay, so let's do a set of 8, one of each, and I'll move around. So here comes number 1. Someone is using a hairdryer in my house. I apologize if that is too loud. Turn my sound up a little. Number 2 is here. Number 3 is here. Number 4 is here. Number 5 is here. Number 6 is here. Number 7 is here. And number 8 is here. Okay, let's go back to number 1. Root position, you can probably tell because I did not roll it. Sing this one. Ready? Go. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. So that one is major in kind of a low register, but hopefully familiar to you. Number 2 is here. In your own octave, sing number 2 with me. Ready? Go. Ti, re, fa, re, ti. Number 2 is diminished. You might sing that one as do, mi, and say. That's fine. That's up to you. But I'll probably keep singing it starting on T. Number 3 was here. That's what I played for number 3. In your own octave, sing this one with me. Ready? Go. Sol, do, mi. That one is second inversion of minor. Yeah. And here's number 4 as I played it. Start on this lowest note and sing this one with me in your own octave. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, do. That one is major in first inversion. That was just a little high for my voice this morning. And here is number 5. Sing number 5 with me in your own octave. Ready? Go. go. Do, me, sol, me, do. So that one is minor in root position. Number 6 was here. Sing number 6 with me. Ready? Go. Do, mi, si, mi, do. Good. Number 7 was here. Sing number 7 with me. Ready? Go. Sol, do, mi. That one is major in second inversion. Number 8 was here. Last one. Sing number 8 with me. Ready? Go. Me, sol, do. So there was number 8. Starting me, sol, do is the one we practiced a bunch just now, and that is minor in first inversion. Okay, so if you got less than 6 of those correct, please let me know. I'd love to just check in with you about how you can practice them better. And I do hope that singing one of the inversions in kind of different places around the keyboard is helpful. All right, let's move on to some melodic dictation. And for this one, I have it written on my computer, so I am going to be staring at you the whole time. Not with my evil ring light eyes. So for this melodic dictation, which you have set up on your page, we're in 3/8 and in C minor. It's a little longer, but that's really just because 3/8 is such where I need to be able to sort of take more bars to do what, if it were 6/8 it would be half as long, right? It would be pretty much the same type of melody, but in 3/8 there's only three of those beats per bar, so it just looks a little bit different. So in any case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars counting the pickup. In C minor, let's get into the key. Sing into the key with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, me, sol, me, do, ti, do. And the first note is here. And sol. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Hit pause and take as much time as you need. And let's do it again. This time I'm going to give you a better count off. I'm going to play it again before I sing it because it's kind of on the long side. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Once again, feel free to pause it and take more time. When you're ready, I'm going to sing it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Sol, do, me, sol, sol, fa, sol, le, fa, me, re, ti, re, fa, le, sol, do. Again, take as much time as you need. Go back and listen some more. When you're ready, I will show you the answer. So here's what it looks like, and I'll play it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. here's an example of where I feel like knowing that solfege for the fully diminished seventh chord is helpful, because you could hear it as it was outlined in this melody. Sol, do, mi, sol. I hoped that that also helped, because you were outlining a tonic minor triad in root position. And then here, ti, re, fa, le. I hoped that that stuck out to you, and like you could recognize what that was doing there, that it was a fully diminished seventh chord that you sung many times in another setting. So we'll continue to outline those in our melodic dictations. Okay, so for this last part of this video, I want to do another solfege tune activity, and I'd like to use Singin' in the Rain from the musical and movie of the same name. So I've linked to it in our Canvas discussion page, so feel free first to go there and listen to it a few times, like watch the scene. There's a lot of dancing. It modulates a lot. We're gonna be close to where the first verse starts. It's in G flat or F sharp major in the movie, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna have you do it in G natural major. So sing it with me a little bit. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. Maybe there's a song in my heart. I don't know exactly the words. There's a song in my heart, and I'm ready for love. That's probably enough for us for right now. So maybe we could get that far for right this moment. So think about that on solfege. Sol, sol, mi, re, do, la. That might be a little bit much for us to start. Think about it like this. We know that we're starting on sol. Sol, sol. Sol, mi. That interval is going to happen a lot in the melody. Sol, mi, re, do. And then la is going to make several appearances, which is part of why I love this song for this purpose, because la is sometimes a hard scale degree for us to pick out. Just do it on solfege again, and if you break down, just start singing la. 1 and 2. Sol, sol, mi, re, do, la. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol. Mi, sol, sol, mi, re, la. Sol, sol, mi, re, la. We get to do that like a whole bunch of times. Keep going. Sol, sol, mi, re, la. Sol, sol, mi, re, la, re. Excuse me. Sol, mi, la, ti. Sol, mi, la, ti. Mi, la, do, la. There's a lot there, right? There's a lot of pitches for you to pick out. Maybe pause the video and go listen to it again and try to sing solfege along with him as he does the first verse of the song. solfege again. Ready? And so. So let's start at the very beginning. I'm singing in the rain. Oh, so mi re do la, sol la do re mi sol la do re mi so mi re la, so mi re la, so mi re la, so mi la ti mi la do la do la. It's kind of tricky because there's a lot of syncopation in it as well, which we'll try to get to now that I think we're ready to try to dictate it onto a staff. I've put it in G major, I put it in the treble clef for us to notate it, and I picked 4/4, but let's talk about the time signature for a moment. I was going like this. Da 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 da. But I actually think that notating it would be simpler if we take, that's more like a hypermeter, and by that I mean just like one step kind of zoomed out. But I think it would be easier to notate if we do it in a faster meter that's like a layer below that. So 1 and 2 and a 1, 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4, like that. So this is the quarter note instead. So we know that we start with a pickup, and the easiest way for me to notate that here is like this. Actually, this is what I mean. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why I think here I actually did mean for this to be a quarter note. So actually what I mean is for it to be like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. So how do we notate that? Not with a quarter note. I'm 1, 2. And then this is going to be dotted, right? 3. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I know I'm singing it as though it's just like swung eighth notes, but I want to be more precise. 3 and 4 and. If you want to, you can pause it and try to notate some of this on your own. That's fine. I think this should be tied. I'm singing in the, and we went so mi re do, and then la sol la do, and I think that's going to be a pretty similar rhythm a lot of the time. La 2 3 sol la. So actually that should be dotted, shouldn't it? La. Okay. La 2 3 sol la. Maybe it's more like a triplet in real life. Sol la. But it's just a swung eighth note. That's the idea. So mi re do la. Sol la do. Do 2 3 do 4 and 1 2 3 and 4 and, right? 1 2 3. Actually, not a dotted eighth, not a dotted half. Just it's going to be the same rhythm as this bar, right? Sol la do 2 do do re, and then this is tied. Do re mi, singing in the, and then I think rain. So let's see how we've done so far. 1 2 3. So mi re do la, sol la do re mi sol la do, and then we're going to do a similar thing here, and then by that I mean so, And then actually, I think we could even just copy this bar. Let's see if that makes sense. Sol, la, do, do, re, mi, sol. Sol, la, do, do, re, mi, sol, mi, sol. Yeah, so this bar is fine, having copied it, and then we went sol, mi, sol. Remember, these are quarter notes I'm snapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can go sol, mi, sol, and then the next bar I think will start kind of like this first full bar did. Sol, mi, re, la, right? So let's look at it from the beginning because I think it's easy to get lost as I'm kind of like jumping around. 1, 2, 3. Sol, sol, mi, re, do, la. Sol, la, do, do, re, mi, sol. Sol, la, do, do, re, mi, sol. Mi, sol, sol, mi, re, la. That's where we are. So that's going to be not dotted. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? But we don't want it to. We want it to tie probably. 1, 2, 3, and 4. La. Okay, let's tie this also. Da, 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 I've a smile on my face. Right? Good. Okay, so take a pause if you want and think about the next phrase. Da, 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 da. Or you can stay with me and we will, if you want to pause, you can skip after I've like done some of it and see if we have the same thing. Or you can also just stay with me and we'll do it now. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. Wait, that's not the words in the first verse, right? Anyway. There's a song, Lord, and I'm ready for love. This is just straight, right? Da, 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 da. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So think about that. I 1 and 2 and 3 and then I'm gonna actually insert a little 8th thrust right there, and then like this. Da, da, da. And then I think we could actually copy this bar into the next bar. Da, 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 da. Uh-oh. So this isn't the same, is it? Walk down the lane with a happy refrain. Yeah, that doesn't work. 1 and 2 and 3. So I think that's actually going to be more like 1 and I think this is tied. So if I turn that off for a second. 1 and 2. So it's not dotted right here, is it? I feel like you're getting to really see the process of transcription and how it can drive you nuts. But this is sort of what the job is, right? And composition works kind of like this too. It's just that you'd be making it up, like composing it anew. Okay, let's try this part again. Okay, I screwed that up, but I fixed it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and This is why it's important that we do this, because it sort of gives you a sense of that's when I say this is why we do this. This is why I went back to the beginning to sing it all the way through, because I can tell there's going to be problems. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So this needs to be a half note. So, and then this is gonna go like this. Mi, re, mi, re. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I see now. 4 and 1, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if this works better. Let the storm it goes through me, so mi re la, so mi re la. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. So la do re mi so mi re la, so mi re la, so mi re la, and that's where the problem is. So then when I moved things around, it kind of upset this bar. Let's try it. And then I'm gonna have to add another measure. So mi la ti mi la. It jumped an octave for some reason. And then probably the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, it's just that I sort of started to compress everything. 1, 2, 3, and 4. La. And that'll be enough for today, I think. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Love. Ready for love. Remember when I said it would sort of, you can, when you watch him move in the video, he kind of does it more with the hypermeter, but I was trying to notate it like this because I thought it would be simpler, which was maybe a misjudgment, but I think actually it is better to do it in this time signature. Let's try it from the top one more time, then we can let it go. So mi re do la, so la do re mi so la do re mi so mi re la, so mi re la, so mi re la, so mi la ti mi la do la. Yeah, so that makes sense. Meter is faster than you think. And let's just note what this is. Singing, oops, in the rain, week 9. I'll just sort of move that over here. Move that over here. So I know that there's a lot more to that melody we could go back and do, so maybe we'll do it at some point. But that's all for now, and that's all for this video. So if you have questions or you want to go over anything from the video with me, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.